Rahim, student. This is we have a question, October 16, 42 variant, 6B in O levels linear programming. So let's see how we can do this kind of question. A bag of the sweets contain X orange sweets, okay? Like X orange sweets we have and Y lemon sweets we have given, okay? Actually, sometime, for example, you have five orange sweets. We know that, or five, okay. But when we don't know how many sweets, I can say X orange sweet or Y orange sweets. I hope so clear. So it is called X. This is called number of orange sweets. Similarly, Y lemon sweet, because I don't know in numbers how many, so I just say that X. Okay. First of all, I show you the idea how we can handle the question. Each orange sweet costs 2 cents. Make sure the currency exchange is also very, very important because we have given here cents. Okay. All right, here. And second number, this is a 3 cents for the lemon. I repeat my words. Sweet of the orange is 2 cents and sweet of the lemon is 3 cents. Okay. For example, I'm asking, let's talk about orange. One orange sweet is 2 cents naturally. So two sweets means 2 into 2, 4 cents. If I ask, so what are 10 sweets? So, sir, 2 into 10, 20 cents, no doubt. If I say X sweets, you say 2 into X. So these are money you spent on X orange sweets. I am sure you're understanding the concept. So let me write here left hand side. So 2X is given by him. Fine. Similarly, I talk about orange over. Let's talk about the lemon. One lemon sweet is 3 cents. Two lemon sweet into two. So three twos are six. Money. Okay. Three lemon sweets. So three into three, 9. And Y lemon trees. So three into Y. I got 3Y. These are money you have to spend on lemon. These are money you have to spend on oranges. I hope so clear. And my students is a very clear. You cannot spend. Read this line. The cost of the bag of the sweet is less than 24. Repeat my words. Less than 24. I repeat, the amount, total amount is less than 24. And amount, how much is this? So it means if I put that value here, so equation turn to be like this. I'm going to write it now. So when I keep it value here, 2x plus 3y is less than 24. And luckily, this equation is given by him. Now you ask me, sir, why you have done so long working? Because my job is to teach you all these things. Might be in exam, he will not give you then how to produce it. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, you got it. Okay. So one equation is ready-made given by him. How to make the other equations? He said at least 9 sweets, at least 9 sweets of each bag. What does each bag means? Naturally, I can say here 9 sweets. Now, problem is that which sweet? Did he talk about the lemon? No. Did he talk about orange? No. He talked about the all together. Okay, all together means what? I can say that X plus Y. And I'm going to say, and what is it at least word? For example, your father say that I need at least marks should be 50. Can I say marks is 50 and more? Yes, understood, clear. For example, father say, no, 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 no. I need at least 70 marks from you. It means M stand for marks, and at least 70 marks means 70 and above. Your father said, no, I need at least 80 marks from you, at least 80 marks. So M stand for the marks and bigger than equal to 80. So we have to read from this end, mouth open means bigger. I hope so. You're understanding the concept. So whenever at least words come, this value and more, I'm sure you're understanding. So let's talk about, he said 9 at least sweets. Sweet, which sweet? Lemon or orange? No, both. So I'm writing here, X plus Y bigger than equals to 9. This is my first answer. I'm sure you're getting the idea. I repeat again, what's the plan behind? He said 9 sweets. I can write here, all sweets both together at least 9. At least 9 means 9 and above. So this is, I think, so clear. X plus Y is 9 and more. I'm sure you are understanding this idea. Okay. Let's talk about the two. Let's sit down. At least two lemon sweet. He said at least two lemon. Lemon. How many lemon are there? Why lemon? So lemon are Y and at least two means what? So at least two. When I say at least two lemon trees, two comes here and Y comes here. And now you think two and more. But how to write the inequality here in the middle of that? Bigger than equal to. How to read? Two and above. Two and above. You understand? So I have two equations. Alhamdulillah. Rabbil Alameen. We have done. And I'm sure up till now you're understanding. So how to write inequalities, how to write inequalities we have done. So 2 marks gained up till now, I'm sure. Yes, now I'm going to sketch these things, and inshallah I hope so you will understand. Inshallah, let me make it this idea. Now I make this diagram. My attention is on diagram and my three equations. Let me write three equations here, then inshallah I'll start. My first equation I'm writing on the top here. So first equation is 2x plus 3y and less than 24. And I will make a table for it. You know very well, 1 time x0 and 1 time y0. This equation I'm writing here. So x plus y is bigger than equal to 9. And I make again table here and the same x0 and y0. Okay, I'm rubbing these lines because I have to elaborate this diagram. So for more accuracy, I think now it is okay. Okay, let me make, before I start, I tell you, he says shade unwanted. Make sure shade unwanted. I will go for shade unwanted. So let me make a little bit up. And now I'm starting this, my diagram. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is okay. So first of all, let me make a filling the table. Sorry, I think I missed one inequality. Let me check. I think I missed one equality. Yes, that is inequality I missed. And let me write that one. At least two lemons, and lemons stand for, let me, lemons stand for Y. Okay, at least two lemons. So that is equality. We have it. At least two lemons means Y is bigger than equal to 2. Now I can start my question on the rest part. Okay. So this diagram is here. Now, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, first of all, whenever one variable involved, no need of any table. Y involved, only X involved, no need of any table. Okay. And do you know, whenever I start, I said a lot of times, the right here, Y is equal to 0, and right on the top for Y axis, X is equal to 0. Because I said a lot of time, equation of X axis is Y equal to 0. Equation of Y axis is X is equal to 0. This is a compulsory, not for examiner, for you only. Okay. Now, why I put 0, I think I discussed in detail. When X, Y, and a constant, this 24 is called constant. We must put X0 and Y0. X, Y, and 9 constant. We put X0 and Y0. So let's start. If I put X0 here, and for a while, you will remove inequality sign and write equation. I'm showing here 2x plus 3y is equal to 24. So this, when I put X0 here, so what happens? 2 times 2, 0 is very, very clear. 3y is equal to 24. So this becomes 0. No need writing. 3 goes down. 3 8s are 24. It means I got X8. So first part is very, very clear when I put X0. Now I'm putting Y0. Here I put X0. X0. Now I'm putting Y0. So when I put Y0, what happens then? So when I put Y0 here, or here better, so when I put Y0, 0 into 3, it becomes 0. So 2x plus 0 equal to 24. This 2 divide, so it becomes 12. So it means this is clear. So I'm rubbing this table. This table is not required. Sorry, this working is not required. If you do want to do here, no issue. But that is not a part of question. If you show the part, examiner, well and good. But if you rub it, no issue at all. Okay, fine. So let's talk about the next part. How to make it this table. Again, this inequality, remove it for a while and write here, x plus y equal to 9. One time put x0 here, and when I put x0 here, what happens? Let's see. 0 plus y equal to 9, and my y value is 9. Alhamdulillah. Now when I put y0 here, so when I put y0 here, so then x becomes x plus 0 is equal to 9. So x become 9. Clear. So I think table is clear. So I'm rubbing again these calculations not required. It is a, you can keep it for part of question. No, even no problem. Now I have a table of both tables. I think I can sketch it. No, I can draw. Sorry, not sketch. Draw accurate plotting. X is 0, y 8. Here x is 0, y 0. Here x is 0, y 2. Here x is 0, y 4. X 0, y 7, and x 0, y 8. Okay, so it means this point is here. So I'm plotting this point here. And then I'm going for the other point, and x is 12 and y is 0. I repeat, x is 12 and y is 0. So it means x12, y0 where? X is 0, y0, x4, y0, x8, y0, x12, y0. So this point is very, very clear. And now I have issue with my, just I have don't have scale any, otherwise I can make it. So anyway, I make a rough idea, this line I will make. Next time, let me check if I make it with a with a with a line. Maybe I have a sketch. Maybe I have tools with me. Yes, I have a tool of line. Let me try. Let me try. Yes, Alhamdulillah, it works. But I will extend. Wait a minute. I will extend for further. No, no, I can't make it from here. Make it from here and I extend back. Yeah, Alhamdulillah is very good. Good thing is available. Alhamdulillah. So I make this line and arrow here comes. Sorry for that. Wait a minute. I take okay this arrow and that arrow also we can make here. And my habit at same time inequality line right here. Right at this corner or this corner. Better do not write on the line. Okay. I'm writing here 2x plus 3y less than 24. Okay. Now one part is over. Sorry for that. This is a less than. It means I would draw dotted line. So issue is with me. If I rub a line, my problem is it will rub throughout. Anyway, okay, I rub it. No problem. Now it means I have to or make it first of all like that, and then I make a dotted line on that. Maybe I will move later on. Let's see. Yeah, it works. It works. I use this line for my accurate plotting, then I will erase the below line. Okay, and now I erase the below line. I think below line, wait a minute, below line gone, correct. So below line gone, and I got the line very, very clear. Okay, so dotted line done. Now let's talk about this line. X plus y is bigger than 9, and you know x0, y 9, x0, y0, x0, y2, x0, y9 here. So I'm going to plot this point, and this time I'm using blue color. I use for it. I have this point, and x9, y0 naturally it is here. So I am writing here, and now I'm going to again solid line. I'll make this time, and let's start. Let me make it start from 9, and okay, this time I make down. Better to make it down. I make and my make and cross from here. I think this better line. So very, very clear. I make arrow on the both end here. Okay, I make an arrow on both end like this, and other end I can make it. Okay, even I may make okay, and make a habit of writing inequality same time. So I'm writing here x plus y is bigger than equals to 9. So two parts, Alhamdulillah, done. Last part, y is bigger than equal to 2. So you know this is y is equal to 0 because it's going through 0. But if going through 1, so this line is called y is equal to 1. And this line through 2 is called y is equal to 2. So let me pick it the line for it. Inshallah, I believe it is very, very clear. And I'm going to make a line here. Wait a minute, little bit down. Yeah. So this line is mashallah good, accurate plotting. And I think you got it. You got the idea, I'm sure. And make a habit of writing inequality same time. Okay. Now I have done all these three, and I've shade unwanted. And you know shade unwanted means what? Okay. So let's start. First of all, I'm starting from here shading. Shade unwanted. So y is lesser. You know, you will not concentrate on x value, not concentrate number, not this, even this. You will see, you will concentrate only and only y and sign, inequality sign. Just concentrate y and inequality sign, and y is less than only. So my question, this because it's red line. Okay. So my question, below the red line is less than y values, or here So common sense here, because if I go below the red line, look at here. For example, go red line. So here 5, here 3, here 2. It means as I go below the line, the y values are going smaller and smaller and smaller. And what is that y lesser? It is called wanted. So where's my wanted region? This is called wanted region below the line. But he said no, 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 shade unwanted. But I will, it means written here top. So it means I will shade unwanted means shade above the dotted line. So look, I'm shading. No need to shade full diagram. I have seen some student they make full. No need to make shade full. No need to make full. So this is much enough. So you can make it. That's it. Okay. So okay, now let's move on next. Okay. So this part is very clear. Let's talk about the blue line. Blue line, y is bigger. Don't care about x. Don't care about number. Only y is bigger. So my question: this blue line is there. Y is bigger. Let's talk about any either here above the line is y is bigger, or below the line y is bigger. Common sense, above the line is y is bigger, but it's called wanted region. But I will shade unwanted, so I'm shading down below the line. I'm shading below the line. Be careful here, shading. You should not go in the region. Okay, so I have done it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. The last thing, y is bigger than equal to. Bigger than equal to, y is bigger. Common sense here, if I go above, so y is increasing 3, 4, 5, bigger. This is called wanted. Above is called wanted, but I will shade unwanted. So I'm shading below and below the line. Don't care about other line. Why shading one part? And I'm writing with a red color. This is R my region. This is R my region. Okay, I'm not writing region, but did he mention? Yeah, I did not mention at all. So I'm just raising no problem. But I tell you, this triangle is my answer, and triangle is I got this kind of shape triangle. Look, I show you this kind of triangle. I got it. This corner is here, this corner is here, and this corner is here. Okay, so I think so very clear. Okay, and let me tell you the point on the dotted line, I can't take it. Okay, so I think so this I rub it and I make it again. So this is okay, but this is dotted line. I'm sure you understanding. Okay, that is very clear. So this part is okay, and now I just I have to like one thing is very clear. Yes, I have to find the lowest cost now. Lowest cost I have to find. Problem is that the cost is mentioned there on the top. 2 cent is a this cost. I will make a question, but okay. First, let me number now. Thing. What is this number, please? I think so. This number is so clear. X is 9 for this number. Look at here. This number. X is 9 and Y is 2. So I am writing here X9 Y2. So this number X9 Y2. But my question from you, so which give me smaller number? Naturally, close to origin, my smaller numbers. So this number is ideal number. I try this number. Which number? At this point. But let me tell you, we'll not go out of triangle. All options in the triangle, let me mark. Let me mark yellow color marking. One dot yellow color. Yellow color is not so prominent. I use other color. I use green color. This green color prominent. This prominent. This is prominent. This 4 points, 5 point, 6 point. You can see that 6 points are my target. So these point I can take because on solid line. This point I can't take because it's dotted line. So I have 6 points. Let me write all 6 points here. Let me write. What is a point here? X is 8, Y is 2. Okay. But my question, 8 comma 2 will give you smallest value, or here X is 7, Y is 2. That 7 comma 2 gives smallest value. Common sense, I will eliminate this because there's a bigger number. I will not take it. Okay. So it means I will cancel. I put tick mark. So let's talk about this number. But problem, this is sorry, I moved the for a while. Okay, sorry for that. Come back. Wait a minute. My diagram is moved actually a bit. I think. Let me check. Now is okay. Yes. So let's decide. Can I take this one? Yes. This point is a okay. And on this line, I have many points. Okay. So this point is what? X is 6, Y is 3. X is 6, Y 3. Okay. This point is X is 5, Y is 4. X is 5, Y is 4. Okay. And this point is X is 4, Y is 5. X is 4, Y is 5. I have 4 points. The top points I will not choose at all, so I'm rubbing that one. Okay, so that is okay. I think I have to shift my diagram. So take a screenshot if you want, and then I move on the next page. So I have to rub my diagram if you need it. Okay, that's okay. And now I move on the next point. So let's see now how we can handle the next part. Wait a minute, please. Yes, students, I'm going to find the last part, read the last part. I rubbed the whole diagram. I kept my diagram here, and I kept the all options which I have now. He's asking find least cost of the bag sweets. Okay, how to make equation? So please concentrate on the top. We know that 2 cents for the lemon, sorry, 2 cents for the orange cost, and 3 for the lemon. I repeat, 2 cents for orange, and 3 cent for lemon. So let's see. I want to move downwards. Okay, I'm moving downwards, and let's see how to make equation and how to get answer. Get ready, please. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So right here, equation for cost. So cost equation. Cost of one orange is 2. So two oranges into 2, 3 oranges into 3, and x oranges 2x. I'm sure you're understanding. Okay, one lemon is $3, 3 cents. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, and y into y. So this is my equation, and you must write equation for the cost. And now I'm plugging these values, and which will give me smallest answer. That is my answer. Let's try. First, I will try 7.2, then I try 6.3, then I try 5.4, then I try 4.5. Let's see which give a less answer. This 7 will go in the place of x, and 2 will go in the place of y. So I'm going to find now. Get ready. 2 times to 7 plus 3 times to 2. So 14 plus 6 become you 20 cents. Cent 20. Okay. Next one. So 6 goes in the place of x, 3 go in the place of y, and I'm finding for you 2 times to 6, 12, and 3 to 9. So becomes 21 cents. Is a big value. Is a big value. Okay. So 5 goes in the place of x, 4 goes in the place of y, and I'm going to find 2 times to 5, 10, and 3 times to 4, 12. 12 plus 10, 22. Still big. Okay, this 4 goes here, 5 goes there, and let's see how we can deal this kind of thing. 2 times to 4, 8, and 3 times to 5. Okay, so 8 and 15 give you 23 cent. So lowest cost is 20 cent. It means I'm writing, look at below, look the below of my diagram. Okay, I make it big. Okay, I think you can see now. So lowest cost is writing down is what? 20 cent. I'm writing here 20 cent lowest cost. What is x value? 7. And what is the y value? 2. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, these are my answers. I hope so. Question is completely finished. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.